Hello friends, welcome to my new tutorial. The 3D animations and the video you're watching are all created by artificial intelligence, or AI, using just a few simple prompt lines and an input image. Can you believe it? Yes, in the world of artificial intelligence, anything is possible. In this tutorial, I will show you how to generate these video samples and 3D animations from an image. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get into the tutorial without any delay.
Iman Global YouTube channel.
This tutorial is presented in 3 parts. In part 1, we generate a desired image using AI and a textual prompt. Part 2 involves the conversion of an image to a video. In part 3, we extend the duration and length of animations and videos. Let's proceed to part 1. To generate a desired image, I use the artificial intelligence platform leonardo.ai. It requires a simple registration, and afterwards, you are directed to the professional panel of leonardo.ai. All these images have been generated effectively using the leonardo.ai artificial intelligence. In the free plan, each user is allocated a very good daily credit for generating images. I click on the AI Image Generation option in the left menu. In the upper section, there is a text box where I input my prompt. Leonardo.ai has a wide range of trained models for image generation. From the drop-down list of trained models, I choose the 3D animation style model for generating images. Now I select the image dimensions. Then I click the Generate button. Images of a cute girl in 3D animation style are generated. I review them. At the bottom of each image, there is a button to download the image for free. I slightly modify the prompt text in the text box and then click the Generate button. Images of a cute boy in 3D animation style are easily generated. I review them. Let's also have an example of generating animal images using leonardo.ai. I modify the prompt text in the text box and then click the Generate button. Cartoon images of a cow are generated. I review them. This way, in part 1, you've learned how to easily and freely generate the required images using leonardo.ai. At the bottom of each image, there is a button to download the image for free. As you've seen, Leonardo.ai can create stunning images in the style of 3D animation with just a few simple clicks. However, if you want to design these images yourself, it would require a lot of time and energy. The important point here is that your animation undoubtedly features a scenario and a story with various characters and scenes. But don't worry, even with a free account, you can easily generate all your characters, scenes, and plans using powerful and trained models from Leonardo.ai. Welcome to part 2. First, open the website runwayml.com. The images we needed have been generated, and now it's time to turn them into animations and videos. I'm using RunwayML because it has a feature called Gen 2 that offers image to video capabilities. We create a free user account on the RunwayML website. With the free panel, we can generate 4-second videos based on images. But don't worry at all, I've taught the method to extend the length of videos in part 3. On this page, we select the Gen 2 option or the image text-to-video service. Here, we can upload our own images to generate 4-second videos based on them. I choose and upload the desired image. Now, I click on the Generate option. The video will be generated after a few seconds. To save the file on your computer, in the upper right section, I click on the free video download button. Once the video is downloaded, we play it to see the result. To create new plans for an animation and a video, we can repeat this process and generate new videos using other images. I'll go back to the previous step and click on the Gen 2 feature. Now, I'll click on the Select from Assets option. In this mode, I'll choose the next image from my computer's hard drive and upload it. Then I'll click the Generate button to create the video. The animation will be generated based on the second image. To save this animation, I'll click on the Download button. Now we have 2 4-second videos or animations. With the method I've shown you, we can also create new plans. In part 3, I'll show you a trick and a technique to overcome the 4-second limitation for each video or animation, enabling you to create longer videos. To achieve this, I'll be using Adobe Premiere Pro software. By clicking on the New Project button, I set up a new project defining its name and storage location. Afterward, I click Create. I import the video that needs to exceed 4 seconds in length into Premiere. I drop the video onto the timeline by clicking and dragging, creating a sequence for it. The trick here is to place the current time indicator at the last frame of this video. I capture a still image of this final frame, creating an output. I determine the storage location for this image and save it. Now, we have a new image representing the last frame of the animation. We can upload the same image again in Gen 2 to generate a new animation based on this frame. Essentially, this extends the length of our previous animation or video. Now, let's go back to the Runway ML website. We enter the Gen 2 feature within Runway ML now. I select the Select from Assets option. In this mode, I choose the new image I captured from Premiere on my computer's hard drive, and I upload it. I click the Generate button to create a new video based on this frame. The new animation, which is essentially a continuation of the previous plan, is generated. To save this animation, I click on the Download button located in the upper right corner of the video. Now we have a new video that starts from the end of the previous video and continues as a sequence. Using this trick, you can create videos longer than 4 seconds. Now I'll return to Premiere. I import the new animation into Premiere and place it at the end of the timeline using a drag and drop action. As you can see, the second video starts from the end of the previous one, and the two videos are seamlessly connected, forming a blend that exceeds the initial 4-second limit. By repeating the same trick and process, you can extend the length of this plan significantly. To do this, in Premiere Pro, place the CTI at the final frame and capture a still image output from that frame, following the method I've shown you. Then repeat the previous steps on the Runway ML website. Let's review this tutorial briefly. In this video, I've taught you how to convert text into images using leonardo.ai. Furthermore, I've demonstrated how to transform these images into videos animations through Runway ML. Additionally, I've shared an interesting trick to overcome the 4-second limitation. If you have any questions about this tutorial, please feel free to ask them in the comments below the video. I'll quickly provide you with answers. I hope this video has been useful for you. If you've made it to this point in the video, it means you're interested in this series of videos. So, please show your support. Like this video and subscribe, as we have many more tutorials coming up. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss our future videos. I'll see you in the next video.